All right, so we did a thing. I got a little piggy. I'm not sure if you can see her. There she is. We actually found her out in the wild north all alone. So we built this little pen for her, and we've been trying to feed her and give her as much water as possible. Our goal here is to genuinely live off the land, to do the best that we can to get out of industrial agriculture. We all know all the harms caused by industrial agriculture, not only in our own health, but in the health of our ecosystem. Doing my best to literally live off the land. And this is why we got cows, this is why we got chickens, this is why we're planting fruit trees and veg and just as much food as we possibly can. And in that process, we are learning to regenerate the land, nourish the land in the way that the land will nourish us. It is raising our awareness so much of how our impact and the things that we do really impact the land, and keeps us really conscious of, just for example, the soaps that we use for our washer, the soaps that we use for our dishwasher, because that water all drains and feeds our yard, feeds our plants. That keeps us from spraying stuff like Roundup and the toxic stuff in our grass, because our chickens eat from the grass and we eat from the chickens. So yeah, I'm on a little mission today to get as much slop or compost as possible in order to feed not only that pig, but the chickens. The cows really love it as well. And then whatever's excess, I will continue to put in the wild north and feed it to the wildlife. Not only bringing the wildlife in, but I really intend to give more than I take. So I hope to feed the wild hogs as well as the deer, the birds and the turkeys. And yeah, on top of that, when I'm taking a trip to town and looking for as much different food scraps from restaurants, grocery stores, that also reduces the waste just a little bit. And the goal is to think global but act local. Oh, by the way, she looks super cute, but she's actually super aggressive and super vicious. Super cute though. So yeah, you see that we got a bunch of scraps already. She is cute. I think I'm calling her Little Miss Honey Buns. All right, these are the buckets I have to fill up today. Let's see how much we can get. All right, so I forgot the video when I was in there, but I got this whole bag here, plus a whole 5-gallon bucket full. And a lot of people don't realize that they could do this, but if you ever need coffee grounds, you could literally go to Starbucks and they have the program called Coffee Grounds for the Garden, where they will actually save their coffee grounds for your garden needs. I don't necessarily feed this stuff to the chickens or the cows or the pigs. I don't think they really like coffee grounds, but the worms do and the fire ants don't. So I'll actually sprinkle this over my yard, sprinkle this over my garden, and it really feeds the worms and it makes the fire ants frick off. So win-win. Ooh, looks like we got some good stuff. Man, this shit's organic. We got a bunch of stuff up in here. All right, getting down to the bottom. It's getting nasty. We ain't that desperate. So, pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Actually, pretty happy with this first score. Don't need that. Ain't too bad. Behind the Publix. Not looking so good. What about this one? Cardboard. Not looking so. Well, first Publix was a non-success. Heading to the second Publix. So far, Aldi was the move. All right, so I guess that was the last dumpster dive of the day. I thought the Publix would have a little bit more, I'm not gonna lie. So I guess the main lesson I learned is Aldi is the move. Publix don't have much. I'm gonna go in, maybe ask the bakery or something, see if they got anything good. Yeah, it's not a problem. It's my own personal pigs. Like, I'm not selling the pigs at all. Like, you don't have anything? Okay. Thank you.
Hi, how are you? Wendy from
Well, that was that. No luck. No luck. I guess they have some strict regulations that they can't give that to, but I think Aldi's the move. I think Publix has gotten pretty strict over the time. They're a little bit fancy, if you know what I'm saying. But, well, and we off. All right, I just got home. Let's let the puppies out. Hey, puppies! And then see if the cows like the treats that we got them. Jada, you want to come out, honey? Come on. Come on, honey. She's so beautiful. Come on. Come on. She's 100 and something years old. Come on, honey. And the most beautiful girl in the world. Hey, cow. Hey, cow. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, cow. Hey, yo. Hey, cow. Hey, now, cow. Hey, cow. Hey, cow. Hey, cow. Hey, cow. Oh, they all want to see what I got. First, what's this? Let's see if they like some big old sweet seedless oranges. Do you like it? You don't like it? Do you like it? You don't like it? Do you like it? Oh, you love it! Yum, yum, yum. I do notice that some cows are definitely pickier than others. Oh, yeah. Okay. Whoa. She really likes it. She's real pregnant, too. Oh, hey, Gary. What are you doing, honey? Do you want a banana? Do you want a banana? Do you want a banana? No, 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 no. Do you like these? Curious if you like a lime. Oh, yep. Guess that's a yes. You like that? Oh, okay. You just don't know how to eat it. Probably could have broke it up a little bit for them. But they like it. Do you like strawberries? Huh. All right, I'm almost positive. I noticed some are definitely pickier than others. The Brahmas seem to be the pickiest. The bull doesn't seem to mind at all, but I know they love apples. You like that, bud? Yeah. Show us what you did there. Show us what you did there. All right, so I just gave them a lot of treats. Seems like the Brahma cows are definitely a bit pickier. They're not really super into the human food. The bull seems to be down for most of it. The two black cows that are all the way black seem to eat literally everything that we gave them. And yeah, and I still have a lot of goodies. I'm thinking about just giving all this to the pig. Because I know she'll probably appreciate it the most. I do notice that they didn't really necessarily mess with the cantaloupe that I gave them. But I think it's because they couldn't get their mouth around it. So let me crack this open. See if they'll eat it. No, I bet they'll eat it. Maybe? Just because I know chickens will appreciate a good strawberry. I don't want to leave them out. Oh yeah. They're going crazy for that one. High value item. Let's see if there's another one. None for you, honey. And then all the rest will go to the piggy poo. She's out there bedded in there. She doesn't really move much during the day because they're mainly nocturnal. So this is kind of the middle of her night. But I'll pour these in here and then hopefully she'll enjoy them later. That's not for you, honey. That's not for you. That's for you. Oh, she got up. Hello. As you can see, she's still pretty aggressive. She'll warm up to me soon, huh, little Miss Honey Buns?